how to make voice and video calls using Messenger. In this video, I'll show you how to make voice and video calls using Messenger. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Now select the person with whom you wanna voice call or video call. For this, go ahead and search for them. Okay, once you search for them, you will see this voice right here, right? Just tap on this voice and tap on allow. Now just speak with whatever you want to speak from here. Just tap on this and send your voice message like this. Once you are done, tap on pause. Okay, once you're done, tap on this send button right here and your voice message will be sent to that person. And for doing the video call, you gotta be friends with them, as I'm not friends with this person right here, so I am not being able to do the video call. But if you are friends with them, you will see video call option right here at the top right here. And that's it. This is how easy it is to do voice call and video call on Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.